In this video, I'm going to show you how to change brush in Adobe Fresco. So to do this, you actually have three brushes up here. I'm going to show you how to do it for each and every single one of these. So first, we're going to focus on this one, which is the pixel brush. You can click on it once, and as you can see here, you have like the brush properties. And then if you click again over here on this like arrow, it's going to give you the pixel brushes over here, and you can go and change it to whatever you want. So if you're currently inside the recent or any of these subfolders, you could just go and click on the arrow back, and in here you'll be able to change your brush. So you have basic, charcoal, comics, dry media, etc. And down here are going to be your brushes, which you basically imported yourself or added from, of course, a Creative Cloud or whatever you're using. Okay, so for example, if I want to change this to this one, for example, because it's interesting, I'm going to go and use it, and there we go. This is going to be my brush over here. If I want to change it, I can click here again, go back and pick a different one. I'm going to pick, for example, the marker over here, and then the marker, this one. You want to click on it, and then you can just go ahead and use this, as you can see, and that way I'm changing the brush. Now I could also go and of course change its color up here. I can change its size like this. I can change kind of its flow over here, and then of course over here you have like the smoothing and stuff like that. So you can change this for a specific brush you're using, and you can always kind of try it and test it up here in this kind of preview panel. Okay, you could also select the blend modes, the pressure dynamics, velocity dynamics, etc., if you are of course more into this. Now over here, if you're using this brush, live brush, it's going to be the same thing. You can set all these things over here, and then you can just click on the brush and you can change it from over here. Now I do only have a few of these, so I'm going to click on this oil paint short, for example, and use it, and there we go. As you can see, I've changed the brush. And then when it comes to this one, which is of course the third brush of our options, the vector brush, I think it's called. Yeah, there we go. You also have the same thing. You can just click on it and then select whichever one you want, like for example this outline, and I can go ahead and use that as a brush as well. Okay, and all of the other settings are gonna always be in here, and of course over here top right when you go to layer properties. Okay, so that's how to change a brush. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.